Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be doing work in our Journeys Reader's Notebook. We're going to be working on pages 163, 164, and 165. This is in our Grade 1, Volume 2 practice book. So turn to page 163 right now, and we'll get started. Okay, here's 163 in our Reader's Notebook. And we're still working in Lesson 26. So we're going to be making a little report about an opinion we have. And before we do that, we're going to talk about opinions versus facts. Okay. So an opinion is how you might feel about something, and you can change your opinion. Like right now, pizza can be your favorite food, but then you can taste something like lobster and say, oh no, that's my favorite food. You can change your opinion. And so here's some people's opinions. A goldfish makes the best pet. Some people think the goldfish makes the best pet. Red apples taste better than green apples. Some people think that, and that's okay. Black bear cubs are so cute. Maybe some people think they're scary, but this person's opinion is that they're cute. Now, facts are different. You cannot change facts. You can change your opinion, but you cannot change facts. You can prove them to be true or false if they're facts. Like bears like to eat and catch fish. You can prove that to somebody that they like to eat and catch fish, and then it would be a fact. A noun names a person, place, or thing. That's a fact. An author writes the words to a story. That's a fact. These are all things that are provable and they can't change. They're facts. Okay, so I'm going to just go with this opinion right here. It isn't really my opinion that a goldfish makes the best pet, but I'm going to go and pretend it's mine, okay? So my opinion, goldfish um, are the best pets. Okay, that's my opinion. You can write whatever opinion you have about any subject, what your favorite food is, what your favorite pet is, what your favorite color is, but you got to give two reasons. So my first reason is they are quiet. I used to have two dogs. They were not quiet, but I can see how people might think that goldfish are the best pets because they are quiet. And my second reason is that goldfish are the best pets is they don't make a mess. Well, I mean, they do, but there's filters for that. They don't, and like they don't run around your house shredding stuff like puppies do. So that might be a reason why someone might think that goldfish make the best pets. And then for my closing sentence, I could just say something like goldfish rock. So sort of like restating something um, from my opinion. Goldfish rock. Okay, that's my opinion. You do not have to have my opinion. You can make your own opinion and give me your two reasons. And then your, I want to see an exclamation mark there. So whatever you say it strongly right there. You could have an opposite. You could say, goldfish are the worst pets. They are boring. Um, they can't come out to play. Goldfish are goldfish are the worst. You know what I'm saying? You could have that opinion. Just trying to, it goes either way. Opinions can be positive or negative. Let's go ahead and turn the page. That was 163. And now we're on 164. And this is a spelling practice page. for our spelling test tomorrow. So let's see. The bunny hop away. The bunny hopped away. Hopped. So let's spell the word hopped correctly. Remember when you spell it tomorrow to use two P's because you have to double that consonant. P is a consonant. You have to have a double or it will say hoped and you'll get it wrong. I hope I will win the race. I hoping I will win the race. The one that makes sense is hope. I hope I will win the race. Hope. That's like a base word. Hope. He is run very fast. He is running very fast. Running makes the most sense there. When you spell running on your test, make sure it has two N's or it will say ruining. And then that's one that you will not get correct. Make sure it has two N's. Oh, this is beautiful. It has two N's in it. Running. And that's so that will keep on saying it's a sound. When there's an extra, a doubled consonant there, it blocks that ing from making it say it's long sound. Kim used all the glue in her art project. Kim used all the glue in her art project. The answer is used. Used. Okay, that one's pretty straightforward. You want that U to say it's long sound. So you just add the ed. You do not put two S's. I the eggs and the butter. I mixed the eggs and the butter, or I mixed the eggs and the butter. Well, I think both of those would work. Which one do you guys want to do? They're both spelling words. Let's just use mix. Mix. And if you use the other one, it'll still be correct. Okay, last page. Okay, so we're going to do a little review of pronouns. Pronouns are words that take the places of nouns, and some of them are here. We, she, it, he, whoops, and they. Okay, so we're going to circle the pronoun that can take the place of the underlined word or words. So we have Jack and Fred. So Jack and Fred want to paint. Does that mean the same as we want to paint, they want to paint, or he wants to paint? Well, Jack and Fred, that's two people. That would be they. Two people that aren't me and another person, so they. They want to paint. Jack and Fred want to paint. They want to paint. Roy, hey, that's a boy's name. Roy drew a picture of a puppy. So is Roy it, Roy he, or Roy she? He drew a picture of a puppy. That makes sense. The picture is very big. The picture, that's not a person, so we'd have to use the word it, right? It wouldn't be we is very big. It is very big. The picture means the same as it, or it means the same as the picture. It is very big. The picture is very big. Now we're going to write he, she, it, we, or they to take the place of the underlined word or words. Jenny, that's a girl's name. Jenny went to the art store. What would mean the same as Jenny? We, she, it, he, or they? She went to the art store. So I'm going to start it with a capital letter because Jenny's the first word in that sentence. She went to the art store. Rob and Liz were there. That's two people. So a pronoun that means that two or more people is they. They were there. So I'm going to start with a capital T because Rob and Liz are the first two words in the sentence. And I have to remember to begin it with a capital letter because it's replacing words that are at the beginning of a sentence. The store is a fun place. Okay, the store is not a person. So we have to use the pronoun it. It is a fun place. So because the store is the beginning of the sentence, we're going to begin it with a capital letter. It. And we're done. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being hard workers. I hope you learned something today. Bye-bye.